Looking for a nourishing way to start your morning? This simple avocado and egg toast is rich in protein, healthy fats, and full of flavor. Perfect for keeping your energy steady and your day on track. Start by placing a slice of sprouted grain bread into the toaster. While it toasts, take half of a ripe avocado and mash it gently in a bowl until smooth and creamy. Once the toast is ready, place it on a plate and spread the mashed avocado generously across the surface. Next, carefully top it with a warm poached or boiled egg. To finish, sprinkle on a few hemp seeds or a pinch of chili flakes. These tiny additions add a boost of nutrition and just the right touch of flavor. Simple, whole ingredients, beautifully prepared, naturally satisfying. Clever intake. Download the app for more healthy ideas.